We have 2 legs with 9 stitches each. Work 2 single crochets to reach the point where the legs will be joined. Insert your hook into the 7th stitch of the second leg and make 1 single crochet to connect the legs. Continue following the pattern. Make an increase, 6 single crochets, and another increase ... at the joining point. We crochet into the 7th stitch of the second leg again. This prevents a gap from forming between the legs. Then, make 1 single crochet into the joining stitch and 1 single crochet into the stitch where the round began. Continue the pattern on the second leg. Increase, 6 single crochets, and another increase ... as a result. When joining 2 legs with 9 stitches each, you should have 24 stitches in the round.